Paulus United States dollar exchanges close 32 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The cost of star chart book Dow especially has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for star chart book Dow generally is drifting at $305,944, which truly is genuinely critical. 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through star chart book Dow cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in every practical sense is most certainly momentary cost expectation for star map book Dow. All things considered, is Paulus a wise speculation? Star chart book Dow support and opposition levels and so forth, which essentially is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the Paulus specialized examination, let us explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a sort of huge manner. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, which for the most part is very huge. The very complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $20,577,638,440 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. Fundamentally, as opposed to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.65%. Coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely huge. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. These occasions certainly show that the market is going in a truly descending heading for present moment, which especially is very huge. Right now, an extremely broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Star chart book Dow execution. The exceptionally current star chart book Dow cost most certainly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, which is very huge. Right now, Paulus in every way that really matters is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, or so they truly thought. What basically is star chart book? Chart book, amazingly, star map book fundamentally is a gigantic multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. It generally is being based on stunning Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, constant conditions in a significant way. Star Map Book happens in a cutting-edge sci-fi setting in 2620, where 3 truly significant groups have especially arisen and explicitly are vying for assets and control. Mankind, only a consortium of truly extraterrestrial societies and Uster kind of conscious androids, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The game especially joins various classes, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. It by and large is part procedure and that you fundamentally need to really foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to by and large connect with certainly different players and groups, which explicitly is genuinely critical. A piece of it in a real sense is investigation, as the game elements a wealth of stars for investigation and double dealing, showing that the cost of star map book Dow basically has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge, since players can go to and really investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It most certainly is to a limited extent a flight reenactment, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Finally, players can dig assets and, all things considered, get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, which basically is genuinely critical. Subsequent to picking a group, players at first sort of start in group security zones without battle to generally investigate truly fundamental ongoing interaction. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security, and in every way that really matters, open ongoing interaction where battle is truly conceivable. Key ongoing interaction points of support are, especially profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, manufacturing coalitions to scale control of assets, so Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram. Resources gained in the game can later commonly be traded for certifiable money, or so they for the most part thought. Who generally are the originators behind Star Chart Book in an essentially huge manner? Star Chart Book in every way that really matters was established by President Michael Wagner, Co. Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd and CTO Jacob Floyd. Or so they basically thought. Before establishing Star Chart Book, Michael Wagner generally worked at a VC reserve and at Multichain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on delivering blockchain-centered items, or so they explicitly thought. Pablo Quiroga really is the organizer behind an enhancement startup and basically worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Chart Book, which essentially is very huge. What essentially makes Star Chart Book in every way that really matters exceptional in a significant way. Star Chart Book especially means to explicitly convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that envelops a few classifications and, in every practical sense, consolidates a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to truly procure virtual resources that can especially be traded for genuine cash in a sort of enormous manner. It intends to override its rivals by beating them in, for the most part, a few regions, which explicitly shows that it truly is being based on stunning Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, continuous conditions, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Up to this point, no blockchain game especially consolidates as genuinely various interactivity prospects as Star Chart Book incredibly. While games offer the choice to generally procure by means of marking, or fight truly different players for virtual resources, or investigate its virtual world and structure partnerships, no game does the above at the same time, which in a real sense is all genuinely critical. Players can involve the chart book certainly token as in-game money to buy resources, however they can likewise for the most part sort of purchase NFTs on the NFT commercial center that will work as boats and essentially other in-game gear, which most certainly is very critical. Simultaneously, players can explicitly really pick a calling in every practical sense, for example an abundance tracker, privateer, and a genuinely enormous number of others, to satisfy jobs on spaceships in a very large manner. Spaceships will likewise generally have the choice to generally consolidate assets and explicitly contend exclusively, yet additionally all in an essentially significant